Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to automatically save photos and videos on OneDrive from Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. By default, photos and videos are not automatically saved to OneDrive, and you can enable automatically save your photos and videos to OneDrive. I'm going to show you how to configure it. In taskbar you will find an OneDrive icon. Right click on OneDrive icon. Here in upper right corner you will find help and settings. Click on help and settings and then click on settings. In left pane select sync and backup, and here you will find an option save photos and videos from this PC. By default it's turned off. When you turn it on, save photos and videos to OneDrive when I connect camera, phone or any other device to my computer. Okay, now click here to turn it on. Now save photos and videos from devices is turned on. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.